My people, let's not even pretend like we don't see what's happening in Anambra State at the moment. If you've been following the news, you know that Governor Soludo and the Agụnechemba Security Forces are not joking at all. Kidnappers, terrorists, and all those very dangerous elements are being caught back to back. I must really give it up for the security forces because they are not here to play. But here's the real question. If Anambra is now too hot for these criminals, where do you really think they will run to? This is a question that has been on my mind for a while now. And somehow, do you think neighboring states like Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, Delta, and even Imo State, do you think they are even safe at all? If we don't act fast, these criminals will shift base, and before we know it, our communities, our states will become their new hiding spots. And to even think that these terrorists just recently paid a village a visit, a village in Ebonyi State. It was very scary, killing people and destroying properties worth millions. This is what we are talking about. And you know what that means? The reports say they came for revenge because villagers allegedly killed their cattle. But my people, let's ask ourselves, do we really know what the full truth is? Whether the cattle story is real or not, one thing is very clear: these criminals are becoming more desperate. They will do anything to find a new base. And since Anambra State is getting so hot for them, they are finding new places to go to. They don't even care who suffers in the process. And now, because the Agụnechemba forces are making Anambra State unlivable for them, these criminals will start sneaking into neighboring states like Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, Delta, and Imo. This is how insecurity gradually spreads. My own question is, do our governors even have a plan for this? Because whether they like it or not, danger is already knocking. How many more communities will these criminals visit before our leaders wake up? Is our security system in Enugu and any of these neighboring states even strong enough to handle them? Well, I guess they are. Governors must declare an immediate security alert. They need to be proactive and reactive. Security forces should tighten our state borders before it's too late. People must be security conscious. If you notice strange movements, new faces, or anything suspicious, please kindly speak up, because if we don't act now, what's happening in Anambra State today will become a nightmare somehow for us tomorrow. But we pray this is not our portion in this part of the world. What do you think? Are we prepared, or are we sitting on a time bomb? Drop your comments below. Let's talk. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Ebonyi People TV channel for more updates.